Understanding attire, a versatile word for clothing. Have you ever wondered why we use different words to describe what we wear in various situations? Today, we're going to explore a versatile and useful word that can elevate your vocabulary when talking about clothing: attire. Word type. Attire is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to clothes, especially of a particular or formal type. As a verb, it means to dress someone in particular clothes. Meaning, attire generally describes clothing, particularly for special occasions or specific purposes. It's often used in more formal contexts or when referring to a complete outfit rather than individual pieces of clothing. Word history. The word attire comes from the Old French word attire, which meant to equip or prepare. It entered the English language in the 14th century and has since been used to describe clothing and the act of dressing. Antonyms. While attire doesn't have direct opposites, some contrasting concepts include nakedness, undress, or informality. Synonyms. Some words with similar meanings to attire include outfit, garments, apparel, clothing, and ensemble. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use attire in different contexts. As a noun, the invitation specified black tie attire for the gala event. As a verb, the costume designer was tasked with attiring the actors in authentic period clothing. In a more casual context, office attire has become increasingly casual in recent years. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using attire interchangeably with clothing in all situations. While attire can refer to everyday clothing, it's more commonly used for formal or specific types of dress. For example, it would sound odd to say, "I need to do laundry for my everyday attire." Instead, simply saying clothing or clothes would be more natural. To wrap up, attire is a useful word for describing clothing, especially in more formal or specific contexts. By incorporating this word into your vocabulary, you can add precision and sophistication to your language use, particularly when discussing dress codes or outfits for special occasions. Remember, practice using attire in your own sentences to become more comfortable with its application in both speaking and writing tasks.